But then, bottom line nga, tama yung sinabi mo, respect. Respect them. You, sabi mo, nag-ano kayo sa mga schools in Tarvingat. Ano yung mga parang nakikita natin na mga challenges ng mga mag-aaral dito sa atin? Na it needs to be addressed as early as possible.
Yung referral system when it comes to, kung kunwari may nakita tayong critical yung stage ng mental health nila, we lack referral system. Like, oo, we do awareness, pero paano pag nalaman ko na may number of students who have critical or they already have the symptoms, but wala tayong pinakamalapit na takbuhan or that we do not know much kung saan tayo hihingi ng tulong. And actually sa akin, ngayon ko lang nalaman that Benguet already has the Provincial Health Office who has already the mental health unit.
Oh,
This year ko lang din siya nalaman.
ngayon ko lang din nalaman.
Opo. So, paano na yung ibang tao who needs help? Kasi minsan, one of the stigma, other than yung stigma natin na parang it's a weakness, wala silang pera to afford the sessions, to afford the medicine. But meron pala tayong mental health unit who could also help make it affordable and accessible to everyone.
Just to define ko ano yung parang so pag sinabi nating mental health crisis, ano yung parang nakikita natin doon or ano yung parang para maging concrete na lang yung example. Ano yung parang common na nakita natin nung naglibot tayo sa mga schools na issues on the mental health of the students?
Nag-start kasi yun in a way na hindi nila alam kung paano mag-open up sa family. Hindi nila feel na safe sila sa family. And kapag nararanasan nila yung bullying sa school or they have these social pressures o nakikita nila sa social media, they do not know how to cope up with that kasi hindi nila ma-open up sa family. And that's where they resort to having vices. And that is something that we do not want to happen. And nagre-resort din sila sa wrong circle, wrong people who would also lead them to somewhere worse than vices. Kaya yun yung problem.
Is that one reason, Mata? Is it that one reason? Because I don't know if it's still the case now. I think 2016, is that one reason, Mata, for the early pregnancy?
Yes. Because yung emotions natin, like if we do not find that love inside our home, our children or yung mga young people will try to seek that from somewhere else. And dun sila nang pupunta sa deceitful emotions.
Right.
Kaya it's best talaga that the family would be the foundation of the love so that they would not value or measure your self-worth on social media or outside ng bahay.
Listening to El Maestro Speaks podcast.